Hello everyone, this is Nelson Darwin ParkTech channel. In this Matlab tutorial, we will be learning how to create a button in Matlab using GUI. GUI refers to the graphical user interface. For creating our first ever project in MATLAB's GUI, we'll come to our command window and write in here guide and press enter. After entering, it is showing us guide quick start. Here we have to select blank GUI and press OK. Now it is showing us our blank figure. Here we will going to create our first ever push button MATLAB GUI project. It is showing us many options like slider, checkbox, radio button, etc. But today we'll be using push button. Drag the push button in here anywhere you want like this. You can change its size according to our needs and change its position too. Now we'll have to run our figure like this. You can save it anywhere with any name you want. Save. Now here's the final layout of our GUI. Here you can see I'm pushing the button but it's performing nothing. To set our button to perform a specific task, we'll come back to our figure, press the right click, view callbacks and click callback. Here it is showing us the function which will let our button to perform specific tasks. Like here I can write a is equal to 8. Now save your code and run. Now the same GUI project, it will be performing our task push. It is giving us value a is equal to 8. We can perform different functions like printing our same value many times, multiple times using loops. For that task, we'll cross this, come back to our function, and here we'll define our loop. It is our loop which is going to print out our value for the 10 times. Like this loop will run from 1 to 10. Now save your program and run it. After pushing the push button, you will see this value a is equal to 8 to be printed for 9 times. Here's our output. You can see. So it was enough for this tutorial. We will be learning more. It was enough for this tutorial. For learning more, stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.